Have you ever looked up and seen flocks of birds crossing the sky in perfect formation and wondered, why are they going so far? Why would a tiny bird, weighing no more than a coin, risk flying across oceans and deserts just to reach another land? In this video, we'll uncover the awe-inspiring science and instincts behind bird migration, a phenomenon that's not just beautiful, but essential to life on Earth. What is bird migration? Migration isn't just seasonal travel. It's a biological mission, triggered by environmental cues like shorter days, colder weather, and food scarcity. When the conditions signal danger or a decline in resources, birds begin an incredible transformation. They build up fat reserves, energy fuel. Their internal clocks align with seasonal shifts. Their brains activate navigation systems like a living GPS. This is evolution in motion, a precise response to survival challenges. Incredible distances. Traveled birds are among the most impressive travelers in the animal kingdom. The Arctic tern migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, totaling over 70,000 kilometers a year. The ruby-throated hummingbird, weighing just 3 grams, flies non-stop for 900 kilometers across the Gulf of Mexico. Bar-headed geese fly at altitudes of 9,000 meters, crossing the Himalayas, where oxygen is barely present. No planes, no rest stops, just instinct, strength, and willpower. How do they know where to go? Birds use a remarkable multisensory system to navigate. The sun by day, as a solar compass. The stars by night, a stellar map. Earth's magnetic field, detected through special receptors in their eyes and beaks. Landmarks like rivers, coastlines, and mountains. Even birds on their first migration, without guidance, instinctively know where to go, as if the map is coded in their DNA. Why take the risk? Migration is not a choice. It's a biological necessity. Staying behind means facing cold, starvation, and death. Leaving too early or late can result in missing food sources or nesting sites. It's a gamble where timing is everything. Through hormonal shifts and natural cues, birds launch their journeys at the precise moment nature allows. The dangers along the way. Migration is one of the most dangerous acts in nature. Predators, birds of prey, humans, even domestic cats. Storms and climate changes. City lights and glass buildings that confuse or kill. Exhaustion. Some birds collapse midair from fatigue. And yet, year after year, millions survive and return. Why bird migration matters to the planet? Bird migration doesn't just help birds survive, it shapes the environment. They disperse seeds over large areas. They control insect populations naturally. Their presence or absence serves as a climate change indicator. Some cultures even use migration patterns to predict seasonal changes. They are messengers of balance, silent architects of ecology. The mysteries still unsolved. Despite advances in science, many mysteries remain. How do birds make near-perfect decisions in real time? How do they sense low-pressure systems days before storms? How do first-time migrants arrive at the exact destination? Nature's intelligence still humbles us. Real-life wonders, murmurations of starlings, tens of thousands moving as one. Tiny birds crossing oceans, alone, for survival. Mothers flying with their young for days without rest. Flocks returning to the exact same tree, year after year. Bird migration is a miracle in motion, performed in silence, witnessed by few. Conclusion: birds don't migrate just for warmth or food. They migrate because life demands movement, challenge, and change. Their journeys teach us that the price of survival is courage, and the reward is renewal. Think migration is just a seasonal routine? Think again. It's nature's greatest adventure written across the skies. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing animal stories each week.